welcome to Movieland. Let's run. So today is Wednesday. We are expecting the park to be actually very quiet. So I've actually been to this park 7 years ago. Oh no, roller coasters. First up, we got a crazy ride on Magma 2.1. Toxic liquid.
Demasiado tarde, doctorita. Ya estamos en el puente. Espero que resista.
Oh my god. Why are you wearing white?
I'm so
I don't actually remember it being that wet. Wow.
I think I came off worst out of everyone on that ride.
Yeah, sit in the back for a great experience.
My bag is soaked.
Now for Kit's Superjet, where we're going to go on a speedboat. We've got to actually wear a life jacket. Hello, car. Drive the boat. So Kiara got absolutely so skating on the jet ride. Literally can't really see, oh yeah, you can see it on the short here. But that was amazing, wasn't it? It was actually so good. But yeah, you get absolutely wet.
Launch control, this is Houston. We are go for launch.
I just had 3 back-to-back rides on space mission orbit with some random guy. Now it's time for Diabolic. This one's gone Diabolic. So we actually have to wait to go on because there's no one else on it. It's just us two on the ride, so we've got to wait for more people to come on. Never happened this before, like, it's great. I know we go forwards. Boy. Diabolic. So we've just done Diabolic, and actually for Vekoma it's one of the smoothest.
Yeah.
It was very nice, and the
better than
boomerang.
The two in
yeah,
Gardaland.
yeah, Gardaland one's not nice,
terrible.
but that was actually very fun and forceful, really forceful actually. Come off quite dizzy, but yeah. Very nice. Really only one's here, and really loud.
You missed it.
Sporty man. Well, as I've done all the driving this holiday, it's Kiara's turn to do the driving. Keep turning. Go 6th gear.
Huh?
Go 6th gear on the gear stick. turn in it.
It doesn't turn very easy.
Whoa. Get some gas while we're at the petrol station. Whoa! Brake! Brake! Whoa! Whoa! Now Kiara's going to drive her own truck on, what do you call it? Pangea Expedition. I'm going to find some dinosaurs.
World of dinosaurs.
We found a dinosaur.
Sorry, I was
Whoa! 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 This is actually mental.
Never mind.
Kiara's concentrating. Going downhill. Oh my god. Whoa!
About the one on the
They're
right.
eating the trees. Oh, can't make up the hill. Can't make up the hill. Keep going. No. Oh no, look what the raptors been doing. What are they doing? Oh no. Yes. Drive. Whoa. That car's crashed. Oh yeah, we are. We're going up the hill. Oh no. Oh no. Dinosaur's been eaten. What dinosaur? Keep going.
Now the safest route is through the back.
Wow. Wow. Down the big hill. Drive.
And today, I will be driving.
Right, don't crash into the digger.
I have been instructed by the Register Corporation to track you throughout the business. I will accompany you step by step, following you every step of the way.
Turn. Gotta turn.
You can recognize
Whoa.
and identify through the data stored
Whoa.
here on the
Whoa.
You are now
Whoa, whoa.
tunnel of time. A long tunnel marked out across.
I've been waiting to go on that, and there's only 2 in the world. There's one other in America, Dorney Park, I think it's called, and yeah. Even though it's just such a small theme park, there's like detail everywhere. Like look at the signs for the toilets. You've got Psycho, and you go over here, the Birds, Alfred Hitchcock, Shining. Oh, we've got the horror shop. Freaks and Gifts. Yeah, H.H. Holmes. So we've got H.H. Holmes here. There's a scare zone. We've got him waiting there. Can't wait to go on this. And Italian scare zone. So I'm actually very looking forward to going on that little horror maze because it's inspired by the H.H. Holmes Horror Hotel. And if you do play games on PlayStation, there's a game called Devil and Me, and it's kind of inspired by the real Americans vs. Psychopath, something like that. But yeah, very scary. So we got our lunch at Movieland and they gave us 3 Magnums. The little bite ones. Very nice. I think Movieland is my favourite smallest theme park, and second best is Adventure Island in Essex. Hopefully going there this summer. But yeah, it's just amazing. It's themed brilliantly and it is very small, but it's got everything you need, and it's got actually some fantastic rides compared to some bigger parks. It's pretty decent. And now some shows.
Everybody, come on. Everybody, come on. Thank you, Steve.
New attraction coming soon. Ooh. Yeah, we've got to go over this bridge to get to the water park. So you can do a 2-park 1-day ticket thing.
Ours was €42.
42 euro was not too bad actually. And what's crazy thing is that the Diabolic ride is literally on top, intertwined with the water park. As you can see, water park roller coaster, water park roller coaster. Right, now let's go to the water park. So that's our day ended here at Movieland and the water park, and finish it off with a nice thunderstorm, as you can hear. But literally, as you can see, it was only us at the water park. We went on the river for like the rapids. It was just by ourselves. It was funny, but yeah, it's just a very quiet day here. Try and get some lightning. So that's our day done at Movieland.